Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay God. You know what I'm saying? Today I might go get the fireworks and shit. You know what I'm saying? 4th of July. I'm gonna be doing it big and shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be doing it big. But yeah, though. So today I'm about to be chilling with the gang and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? But we about to go to what is this place called? Phantom Fireworks in Coleraine. You know what I'm saying? So y'all niggas stay tuned in because you know what I'm saying? We gonna be popping some big shit on 4th of July on Thursday. All right.
A few moments later.
All right, check it. Come here real quick. Let me show y'all what I got. Let me show you what the fuck about to go down. All right, right now, this is the fit check right now. This fit kind of shitty.
Talk about it. How much is the shirt?
Shirt like $10. Shirt $10. The shorts I forgot because it was a long ass time ago.
We ain't gonna talk about the ass you won.
Look, it's because I'm about to go hoop though. It's because I'm about to go hoop. I'm a hooper.
How much is the Crocs?
The Crocs like what? $60 with the paint. So with the paint on there, it's additionally like $110. All right.
So total
Probably like $230.
Ooh, little slight fit.
Little slight. Let me show you the fireworks I got though for sure. Got some shit. This year I'm gonna be popping the fireworks. I got that Thunder Sea War. This some shit. I'm telling y'all gonna see that shit later. And then I got that 50 cal, 12 shots. I'm telling y'all, 50 cal, 12 shots. Then I got that I don't know. That Phantom brand is just that Phantom brand, but you see on the side it's gonna be. Then I got that shit. What these niggas? Yeah. Then I got that machine gun shell. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got so far. But look, next year though, next year I'm gonna have mad shit though. You know what I'm saying? This came up too bad like what, 230? Yeah. We gonna see what that shit do tonight though. But right now I'm about to go hoop though. So you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm dressing all bummy. You know what I'm saying? But stay tuned though. For sure.
That shit cheese, I ain't gonna lie. What's this nigga? Nah, they got a show going on, man. Hey, you're fucking wildin'. He's fucking wildin'.
I just opened. I can't see, cuz. Hold up.
Why is he opening that bitch? Is he not supposed to open it? Why is he opening that shit?
I mean, it's cool, but I mean, you're not supposed to, but just the wick right here.
Oh shit, y'all. All
right, hey, don't get.
That nigga ripped that shit open. Cuz when I like that shit, cuz. Run, nigga.
I got you.
But still record that shit.
I got you.
I'm scared to see cold, nigga. Hey, run, nigga. Fuck. Oh, shit. Damn. That nigga got hit, bruh. Damn, that shit. Bro, you got hit, cuz, and I got hit too.
I got hit like a motherfucker.
There you go.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it, cuz. I just can't see that shit. I'm cool now. You ready?
Yeah.
That shit little. I'm nervous.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Oh, it's on the side. What the fuck?
Oh, shit. Oh, hell no.
That shit.
Be firing up.
Don't matter.
Oh, that nigga lit on the track.
That nigga in between. No, get over here. Get right here.
Yup. That shit aiming towards the tree. Oh shit! Niggas just got hit in their head, bro. We got a crowd and everything, man. This is what we do. God damn, bro. You recording me, cuz? Look, he all, look. You know what I'm saying?